Hi, hello everyone. This is Madhuvita here. Hope you are all doing good. So we are planning to start the English Medium Foundation batch courses for upcoming SSC examinations. SSC CGL and SSC CHSL has been released its notification already, and SSC CGL Taiwan has been started. SSC CHSL will start from the month of May, and I'm going to deal with the current affairs and static GK part and general awareness section. As you all know that general awareness section contains 25 questions with 50 marks, in which current affairs and static GK will comprises of nearly 8 to 10 questions. So I'm going to cover each and every news of current affairs, and also I'll cover the static GK part of the respective current affairs so that you can crack it easily. And also I'll cover some polity articles in with some clues so that you can remember it easily. And apart from me, Anand Cherika sir is going to deal with the quantitative aptitude. Plus classes starts from April 16th, and click the link below. I have mentioned the link. Click the link below to enroll the Unacademy Plus subscription and use my referral code MadhuKentrol so that you can have a 10% offer. And in our session, we'll cover the entire syllabus of SSC, and definitely you'll find it useful, and will become a SSC officer. Yes, we'll meet you all soon in the upcoming plus classes. Be good, do good, be positive, and prepare well. Bye bye. See you.